This is the new Dell XPS 14, and Dell says it's the laptop that's bringing the XPS name back to the top. But here's the thing. After getting hands-on with it at CES 2026 and digging through early expert impressions, I've found something they're not exactly shouting from the rooftops. It's powerful, it's sleek, it's clearly aimed at MacBook Pro users. But is it actually the Windows laptop to beat in 2026? And more importantly, is it worth your hard-earned cash? Dell XPS 14 Product Overview. The Dell XPS 14 2026 is Dell's premium 14-inch productivity and creator-focused laptop, officially reintroduced and refreshed at CES 2026. According to early coverage from PC Mag and other outlets at the show floor, Dell is clearly repositioning the XPS brand as its flagship Windows alternative to the MacBook Pro 14. This machine is aimed squarely at professionals, creators, and power users who want serious performance in a relatively portable form factor. Think video editors, coders, photographers, and remote workers who demand both speed and style. Key highlights: latest Intel Core Ultra chips, dedicated NVIDIA RTX graphics options, a high refresh OLED display, a super minimal, almost futuristic design. Dell XPS 14 Performance. Okay, specs are great, but how does it actually perform? The 2026 XPS 14 is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, paired with optional NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics. In real-world terms, that means this thing is not just for spreadsheets and Chrome tabs. Based on early hands-on testing and benchmark previews, performance feels snappy across the board. Boot times are quick, apps launch instantly. Multitasking like running Photoshop, Slack, Spotify, and 20 Chrome tabs doesn't faze it. And here's where it gets interesting. With dedicated RTX graphics, this 14-inch machine can legitimately handle creative workloads. Light 4K video editing? Totally doable. Lightroom batch exports? Fast. Casual gaming? Surprisingly solid for this size. But it's not all perfect. Like many thin and powerful laptops, sustained performance can be limited by thermals. Under heavy load, like rendering or long gaming sessions, you may hear the fans ramp up. That's not unusual in this category, but it's something to keep in mind if you're expecting desktop-level silence. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. 1. OLED high refresh display. The 14-inch OLED panel supports high refresh rates, which means scrolling, animations, and even window dragging feel incredibly smooth. But beyond that, OLED gives you deep blacks and vibrant colors, amazing for content consumption and photo work. If you watch Netflix or edit photos, you'll immediately see the difference. 2. AI-enhanced Intel Core Ultra chips. These new processors include built-in AI acceleration. Now that sounds like marketing fluff, but here's the benefit: smarter background noise removal, better video call enhancements, and more efficient power management. For remote workers constantly on Zoom, that's a real-world win. 3. RTX graphics in a 14-inch body. This is huge, a thin and light that can handle GPU-accelerated creative apps without stepping up to a bulky 16-inch machine. That's a sweet spot. It gives creators flexibility without breaking their backs. Design and build. Aesthetically, Dell absolutely nailed it. The XPS 14 continues the signature CNC machined aluminum chassis with a sleek, minimal lid and razor-thin bezels. It feels dense, solid, and undeniably premium. The keyboard is edge-to-edge with large keycaps, and the haptic touchpad blends almost seamlessly into the palm rest, giving it that futuristic, almost sci-fi vibe. It looks incredible on camera. But here's the honest part. The ultra-minimal design may not be for everyone. Some users miss more tactile function keys or more visible touchpad boundaries. Battery life. Battery life is always the big question. Early impressions suggest solid all-day performance for general productivity, especially with the efficiency improvements from Intel Core Ultra platform. But if you push the RTX GPU hard, expect that battery to drain faster. This is still a performance laptop, not a low-power ultrabook. Pros: gorgeous OLED display with high refresh rate, strong performance in a compact 14-inch body, AI enhancements that actually improve daily use. Cons: likely premium pricing. Fans can get noticeable under load.